Okay, before we get started with today's video, like I mentioned in the prior video, somebody was going to be winning a graphics kit for the Honda Navi. So big congratulations to Tristan Leonard. Sorry if I butchered your name. The next little clip or photo will show you the winner. So if you won, please send me a DM on Instagram or an email. All that stuff will be down linked in the description, or a Facebook message. And let's get you a graphics kit out. Hopefully you're a Navi owner and you can definitely benefit from it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't do very much talking or stuff. I just kind of freestyling, taking random videos of stuff here and there. So hopefully you guys like this different style type of video. So my goal is, when we head to the Barber Small Bore meet this week, we're gonna leave Thursday afternoon, depending on what time all the guys get off work. I want to shoot you guys a video every single day of us arriving there. The event's on Saturday and Sunday. I'm excited to meet all the sponsors, the hill climb event, the drag racing, and we have a little something entered into the hill climb event. We have a towel. I think that's going to be super cool. So yeah, enjoy today's video, and I look forward to the Barber Small Bore meet here in the next few days. Peace. Alright, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. As you can see, today we are at Demboske Motosports to have a little bike night here in Fort Walton Beach, and they invited us out. So I want y'all to check it out, man. I love these guys. Here's some of the bikes that are here.
Let me ride them over here.
quick little video clip. Navi's versus bike night. She's looking good. Some of the bikes have already cleared out. Here. Bikes over here. Boom. You know, the truck's looking good. Woo, she's looking good, boy. Awesome. Inside the shop. Not gonna be very much me talking over all the bikes and stuff, but this is Demboske's shop. Done a lot of work on some of my bikes that I couldn't do, like on the Grom. He did the forks. They're also gonna be at the Barber Small Bore meet. Great people, love them. Thanks for having us out, Zach.